Tired of your project ideas getting lost in the shuffle? Let's wrangle that chaos and build a powerful backlog in Asana in just 90 seconds. First, you'll want to log into your Asana account and create a new project name. It's something descriptive, like product backlog or website redesign backlog. Choose the board layout for a visual workflow, as it's perfect for backlog management. Now, let's set up your sections. Think of these as stages for your backlog items. A common setup includes ideas, where you capture all initial suggestions, to refine, for items needing more details, prioritized, for features ready for development, and ready for sprint for items committed to the current sprint. Next, start populating your ideas section. Brainstorm all possible features, tasks, or improvements and create individual tasks for each. Add a brief description summarizing the idea. Don't worry about details yet. Okay, time for refinement. As you evaluate each idea, move promising ones to the to refine section here. Flesh out the details, add subtasks to break down the work, attach relevant documents, and assign owners for further investigation. Prioritization is key. Use custom fields to add a scoring system. Consider factors like impact, effort, and urgency. You can use a numerical scale or even simple labels like high, medium, and low. Once scored, drag the highest priority items to the prioritized section. Finally, when planning your sprints, move tasks from the prioritized section to the ready for sprint section. These are the items your team has committed to completing in the current sprint. And there you have it, a streamlined backlog in Asana, ready to power your agile development and continuous improvement. Remember to regularly review and groom your backlog to keep it relevant and effective. Happy planning!